Switzerland is renowned for its stunning natural beauty, which includes majestic mountains, pristine lakes, lush valleys, and picturesque landscapes. Here are some notable natural features and attractions in Switzerland. Swiss Alps. The Swiss Alps dominate the country's landscape and offer breathtaking scenery. Famous peaks such as the Matterhorn, Jungfrau, and Eiger attract mountaineers, hikers, and nature enthusiasts from around the world. The alpine region also boasts charming villages, glacial lakes, and verdant meadows. Lake Geneva, located in western Switzerland, Lake Geneva, or Lac Léman, is the largest lake in the country. Surrounded by the Alps and the Jura Mountains, it offers stunning views and a serene atmosphere. The cities of Geneva, Lausanne, and Montreux are situated on its shores. Interlaken, nestled between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, Interlaken is a popular tourist destination. It serves as a gateway to the Bernese Oberland region, where visitors can explore the Jungfrau region, hike in the mountains, and experience adventure sports like paragliding and skydiving. Rhine Falls. The Rhine Falls, located near Schaffhausen, is the largest waterfall in Europe. It is an impressive sight with its powerful cascades and offers boat tours for visitors to get closer to the falls. Zermatt is a famous alpine resort town at the base of the iconic Matterhorn peak. It is a popular destination for skiing, hiking, and mountaineering. The car-free village exudes a charming atmosphere and provides stunning views of the surrounding mountains. Swiss National Park. Located in the eastern part of Switzerland, the Swiss National Park is a protected area known for its untouched natural beauty. It offers opportunities for hiking and wildlife observation, with diverse flora and fauna in its alpine meadows, forests, and rugged terrain. Lucerne. Situated on the shores of Lake Lucerne, the city of Lucerne is renowned for its beautiful setting and historical charm. Visitors can enjoy boat trips on the lake, explore the picturesque old town, and take in views of the surrounding mountains. Aletsch Glacier. The Aletsch Glacier is the largest glacier in the Alps and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a stunning natural wonder, with its immense expanse of ice, crevasses, and ice caves. These are just a few examples of the natural beauty that Switzerland has to offer. The country's well-preserved landscapes, alpine vistas, and pristine lakes make it a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers.